Lasers, a testament to human ingenuity, is hailed as the fastest knife, the most precise ruler, and the brightest light. Amidst the power development of Chinese industry, ACME Laser was founded in 2016. Rooted in Jinan startup area, it has achieved a 30-fold increase in sales revenue over 8 years, evolving into a super-end laser equipment manufacturer with over 300 professionals and a 50,000 square meter digital intelligent factory. Its core products are widely used in various fields, including shipbuilding, new energy, and heavy machinery. ACME Laser specializes in laser cutting technology, particularly excelling in segment market of super-end, high-power bevel laser pipe cutting machines. Sales data shows that this product category ranks among the top globally. The company's products are exported to over 70 countries and regions worldwide, earning the trust of the international market through its professional expertise. Adhering to the principle of enterprise based on R&D and innovation, the prosperous, we have pioneered the development of high-power laser pipe bevel cutting technology. This breaks down the technological barriers in the industry and provides more competitive solutions for the global heavy-duty pipe processing sector. As the creator of the 8-cylinder heavy-duty full-stroke chuck and the pioneer of static cutting technology, we have built a solid technological base based on over 130 intellectual property rights and 2 major R&D platforms. Strength creates excellence, and focus leads to superior products. Facing homogenized competition in the industry, we possess significant advantages in the cutting of extra long, extra heavy, and extra large diameter pipes, with technical indicators reaching internationally advanced levels. From specialized machinery to automated production lines, we provide full-chain intelligent manufacturing solutions, infusing craftsmanship into every step through digital systems and 5G-enabled visual factories, ensuring exceptional and reliable equipment, adhering to the principles of inclusiveness, openness, unity, progress, long-term value, and shared success. ACME Laser has developed steadily. Multiple authoritative certifications attest to ACME's firm commitment to lean management and green development. Every honor reflects the high-end recognition from the industry and the nation. Under the spotlight of mainstream media, such as CCTV and Xinhua News Agency, ACME Laser is becoming one of the symbols of the steady rise of intelligent manufacturing in China. Light diffraction boundless. Ding has 3 supports. Together define that ACME Laser will continue to provide global customers with efficient and high-quality laser equipment and intelligent solutions, striving to become a leading enterprise in the global laser equipment industry.